Ever wondered how many uses your garden tools can have apart from their traditional roles? Welcome to a world where creativity meets recycling, where common garden tools like shovels, rakes, and hoes take on new, surprising roles. This isn't just about giving a second life to your tools, but also about sparking your imagination, reducing waste, and even saving your hard-earned cash. So buckle up and prepare to be amazed. Stay with us as we delve into the world of repurposing garden tools. So, you have a few garden tools and you're wondering how to give them a new lease on life. Here's how. Let's start with that old rake. Instead of letting it rust away in a corner, why not turn it into a rustic wine glass holder? Simply clean it, give it a coat of varnish, and hang it on your wall. Voila! You've got a quirky, functional piece that's sure to get your guests talking. Next up, that trusty old shovel. It's seen better days, hasn't it? But that doesn't mean it's ready for the scrap heap. Clean it up, paint it a vibrant color, and stand it up in your garden. It'll serve as a decorative piece that adds character to your outdoor space. Finally, let's not forget that garden fork. With a little creativity, it can become a unique photo holder. Just bend the prong slightly, paint it in a color of your choice, and clip your favorite photos onto each prong. It's a charming and personal way to display your memories. Each of these projects is simple, fun, and a brilliant way to repurpose what you already have. Plus, they're great conversation starters. Now, isn't that a fantastic way to give your garden tools a second life? And there you have it. Repurposing garden tools isn't just practical, but also a fun way to express your creativity. Remember, recycling is not only essential, but also a delightful way to breathe new life into something old. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Until next time, keep exploring and stay creative.